Alright, here we are, Canadian junkyard. Okay, pro tip here. Greetings everyone, welcome back to your favorite YouTube show, Fixing Random Crap with Craig. Today we are looking at a 2007 Hyundai Entourage, also pretty much the same as the Kia Sedona. And we are going to replace the indicator light on this driver's side. We're also going to try and fix this piece of rubber stuff that is fallen out of there. This vehicle's been crowned a number of years before we had it. That apparently dries out all those rubbers. That thing just falls out and tends to flap around when you're going down the highway. So we're going to fix that up too. And there's my assistant. Ava, you going to help out? Yeah? You want to say hi to the camera?
Hi, camera.
Hi, camera. Okay. Off we go.
Bye.
Okay. So, the 2007 Entourage was just so technologically advanced that it would give you an indication when the... oh, those are the wipers. Hold her steady here now. When you put on the right blinker, it blinks normally.
I want to do it.
Wipers are still going. When you put on the left blinker, it blinks like crazy. That is to tell you that there's something wrong with that blinker. And indeed, when we looked, the front one is not blinking. So, that's a pro tip on how to figure out that your blinker is messed up. And now we're going to show you how to fix it. Okay, next up, we're going to remove some screws in order to get this light mechanism out. I actually saw a great video that I will link to in the description of a 6-year-old somewhere that did all this. So maybe I'll be able to pull it off if that is the case. So we're going to take off a bunch of these screws here to loosen this thing up, and then there's a bolt here, and there's another bolt down in there, and that will allow us to pop this bad boy right off. So we'll keep you updated on our progress. Okay, folks, we now have this off. Again, with a lot of help a lot of thanks to the video I referenced earlier. It does take some significant jimmying to get this thing out of here once you have those two bolts off. I had to take almost all of these guys off. The last one I left in because I was able to get it out of the way that way. And then I went with just a flathead screwdriver, just very gently kind of jiggled. Just twist, a little twist here and there. You want to be really careful because you obviously don't want to break that. Anyway, and always with the other hand up here giving some pressure downwards. Definitely the biggest pain in the butt so far on this job. See how the rest of it goes. But now we are going to flip this over and hopefully be able to see what we want here. So the signal light is the top one. I remember from having looked to see if that was working or not. And I'm probably going to have to grab the camera and move it to show you that. You probably really can't see that, so I'll move the camera. Okay, take this off again. So this right here is the one that we want. Let's see if he just twists out. Does not seem to be a simple twist. So I'll fidget with this, figure it out, and return momentarily. Okay, so it appears as though you want to take this clip off first. So a little flathead screwdriver here, lift up the little tab, then you can pull that right off. And then this guy should twist more. And there he comes. Perfect. Alright, let's see if we bought the right replacement. Stand by. Okay, so this here is the one that came out of the car. And this is the one we picked up. Sylvania Long Life 2357 Alpha. Got that at our Great White North Canadian Auto Parts Supply Store. And there were a whole bunch of different ones that seemed to fit. Every time I found one, it said, oh, this one will also fit it. And this, so I got a list of like 10 different ones that'll fit, but we went these. They were the first ones that popped up in at the auto store when we got there. So we're gonna swap this out here. Let you know how it goes. Okay, back to this for a moment. Wasn't really sure how to get that out. It kind of goes in and clicks, and then doesn't really want to pull out very easily. So after a little bit of fidgeting, realize you push in, twist to the left, and then pull out. So we'll put the other one in the same way, put all this back together, and we'll see if it works. Okay.